we have before us the opportunity to forge for ourselves and for future generations a new world order, a world where the rule of law, not the law of the jungle, governs the conduct of nations. When we are successful, and we will be, we have a real chance at this new world order, an order in which a credible United Nations can use its peacekeeping role to fulfill the promise and vision of the UN's founders.
Something like a god, but a rap game general. If my name is in your mouth, then get your lips off of my genitals. My question to the game is who doing all this killing though? My clip long as a casket, cause there's somewhere I ain't trying to go before you take me out. Best believe I'm a bang mine, I ball when it's game time. The nigga with the strange lines dunking on the game, cause I got so much name time. Rip your ass to shreds like that book of your lame rhymes. It's the nigga that the women adore. The reaper been in my door, just knocking, I ain't letting up. You in the race with a cheater, you ain't catching up. I keep your girl soaked, but don't think you won't get wetted up. I smoke trees like a wildfire, and I praise the green guys like a church choir. I'm getting paid as I'm getting higher. Name a sick writer. I spit more fire than Bob Marley's big lighter. And it's truth and it's too, cause the H dyke. It's destruction mode when I get the stage mic right. I know these niggas out plotting on me. I'd rather be filthy rich than a rich homie. And these are not dreams the devil sold me. I play the hand that is dealt, but I won't let a nigga fold me. The game is getting lonely, that 40 stay on me. And if you want beef, well I was getting hungry. I smoke a lot of weed, then I scroll through the Genesis. Talking about money, people know that I'm getting it. That Benz that you driving, people know that you're renting it. You talk about life, but be glad that you're living it. I smoke a lot of weed, then I scroll through the Genesis. Talking about money, people know that I'm getting it. That Benz that you driving, people know that you're renting it. You talk about life, but be glad that you're living it. Whack rap, I'm ending it. Try me, bet I finish it. Back to blow your mind with these ambitious sentences. Had to say my prayers, cause the game I'm really killing it. Artists think I fuck the world, cause the world is really feeling it. I'm shining like the sun, but I end you like the daytime. If I don't fuck with you, you better not come across that safe line. You got a chance to choose, and I already made mine. It's cause I get money and you continue with the hate crimes. I stand tall cause I don't run from that. I read the Bible even though I do a lot of puffing. I still wait for the answer on my last question. How all these artists end up dead and there's no justice. And I know that it's death that I'm playing with. I be the reason that these artists don't be saying shit. So I bomb on these tracks like a terrorist. This my life and I ain't thinking about sharing it. Yeah, I smoke a lot of weed, then I scroll through the Genesis. Talking about money, people know that I'm getting it. That Benz that you driving, people know that you're renting it. You talk about life, but be glad that you're living it. I smoke a lot of weed, then I scroll through